Hello, grade 5, how are you? If you hear my voice, please open your camera. Check the voice, check the screen sharing. Okay, screen clear for you.
Yes, Mister, your voice is. Hello, Mister.
Hello,
Yes. Hello, Mister.
hello,
Mister, change my name. Walid Ramadan. Hello, Mister.
hello,
Change my name. Hello, Mister. My name
Hello,
Ahmed
Mister.
Amani.
hello.
Mister.
Okay,
Hi, teacher.
hi, Ammar.
Why you said hi, teacher? Why? Not Mister. Why?
Uh-huh.
He is a Mister, not.
Mr. Teacher, all of them are equally meaning. Let's say hello and good evening. Welcome back, my dear students. Ammar, Ahmed, Asir, Abdullah, Deeb, everybody in the session. I think the screen clear for you all. Put like a finger if the screen clear. Okay. Our date today is 21, not just only 20. I just did today at the top of the page and be ready. As usual, we will select a hero to read the title of the lesson today from the book, not from the screen. And I think this is your first session this week in mathematics. Our lesson today is 5.2, estimate quotient with two-digit divisors. Estimate quotient, not quotient, because I heard a lot of strange voice this session. Quotient, it's called quotient, quotient. Repeat after me, quotient in house. Quotient with two-digit divisors. Okay, we are on page 185, our date 21 December 2021, and let's open for Ammar Wael. Read the title of the lesson today from the book, not from the screen. Please, Ammar, hurry up.
Okay. Estimate quotients with two-digit divisors.
Thank you, Ammar, and keep in touch. Don't close your mind. From reading this title, you expect to learn what in this session, Ammar?
To estimate and then multiply the divisor with the dividend.
Why you said multiply? Which keyword here refers to?
No, sorry. Because the quotient division.
Yeah. So we will estimate, we will divide, okay, with the two-digit divisor. Sure, my dear students, the concept of estimation is very clear for all of you. Can you, Ammar, remind me with the concept of estimation? What does this word mean?
Estimation is to estimate, like to round
Yeah, it
the
means,
number to the nearest tens.
yeah, it means not to find the exact result, you will find the nearest number to the exact result. Uh, we can say it's like rounding, or we can use rounding in estimate. Okay, no problem. Okay, the word quotient, Ammar, what is the quotient? Or what do you know about
The,
quotient?
is the like the when I multiply two
Multiply again.
digits when I
Multiply.
when I divide two digits I
Uh,
get the quotient.
yeah, the quotient is the result of dividing two factors or two numbers. Thank you, Ammar. But today, the strange concept here is the divisor. What is a divisor? As you see, Ammar, in front of you, this is a division statement. How many elements do we have in this statement? Can you count them, Ammar?
Okay. Uh,
We have,
20 and 4
yeah, divided 4
equals 5.
equals 5. So we have
Yeah.
20, we have 4, and we have 5. Each one of them, for the three factors or the three elements that we have, it has a name.
Around it.
Yeah, no, 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 no. It has a name. This is at all is called division statement, okay, or division problem, okay. Each factor in front of you has a name. But before I show the name of the factors, I want you, Ammar, to compare between 20 and 4. Which one is bigger?
20.
Very good. And which one is smaller?
4.
My dear students, 20 is called dividend. Can you repeat after me, Ammar? Dividend.
Okay, dividend.
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 Dividend
4 is
large,
divisor.
is the large amount you're going to share or going to distribute or going to divide. So what is the name of the first greater element in the division problem? It's called dividend. It's
Dividend.
called what?
Dividend.
Dividend. Repeat after me, the students at home.
Dividend.
Read and repeat. Dividend.
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 The second one is little bit smaller, so I called it divisor.
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 Repeat after me, Ammar, and raise your voice. Everybody in the
Yes.
session. Divisor.
Divisor.
Divisor. Okay, when we
Divisor.
start writing or reading a division problem, we start with dividend, then divisor. I cannot start with divisor first because division is not commutative. When we divide the dividend over the divisor, we will get 5. 5 is called quotient. Repeat after me, quotient.
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 So I have here 3 factors or 3 elements in division problem, which called dividend, divisor, quotient. Dividend, divisor, quotient. Dividend, divisor, quotient. Repeat after me.
Dividend.
Dividend,
Divisor.
divisor,
Quotient.
quotient. Dividend, divisor, quotient. What is the dividend? The dividend is the large amount you're going to divide, Mr. Waleed. What is the divisor? The divisor is the factor that the dividend divisible with. What is the quotient? The quotient is the result of dividing the 2 factors. Okay, Ammar?
Okay.
My dear students, this way written in front of you or appears in front of you now on the screen is called the basic way or horizontal way of dividing. Now we have 2 forms or 2 another forms of dividing. The first one, you can write division statement as a fraction, which form of numerator and denominator. Numerator here is the dividend, denominator here the divisor, and the quotient outside after the sign of equal. So I have here again dividend, divisor, quotient, dividend, divisor, quotient. Sometimes like a broken chair like that, or a flip chair like that. So the dividend written here, the divisor here, and the quotient here. This is called long division, also formed of dividend, divisor, quotient. So I show you now the 3 forms or the 3 models of writing a division statement. They are all formed of the same 3 factors. What are they, Ammar?
Dividend, divisor, and quotient.
Dividend, divisor, and quotient. This is the warm-up of our session today, and this is how to start to divide. Okay, so today we're going to estimate quotient. It means we need to estimate first, then divide second. A little sample I will show for you now. If you want to divide 7 over 2, is it the same of dividing 6 divided 2? Which one is easier, Ammar, for you?
6 multiply 2. Divide 2.
6 divided 2 is easier. Why? Because I saved the timetable of 2 and find that I saved. Trust that 7 divided 2 sure and simply equals 3. But I have no relation between 7 and 2. Am I right, Ammar?
Yeah.
So I can estimate this 7 by 6 as a compatible number with 2 because 7 is not a compatible number. That means there is no relation between 7 and 2. But I said very well that the relation from the basic fact in the timetable 6 divided 2 equals what? Equals 3. Okay, my dear students, Let's listen for someone else. Thank you, Ammar, for your participation. Someone will read, solve, and share. After that, we will make the competition as usual. I want to listen for Ali, Hussein, and Fi'i.
Hello, Mr.
Hello, Ali. Solve and share quickly.
Okay, Mr.
Hmm.
Kyle's school needs to buy poster for fundraiser. The school has a budget for $147
Yes.
each.
Hmm.
Each poster costs $13. About
Yes.
how many posters can his school buy? Solve the problem any way you choose.
So when we hear the word about how many, that needs to do what?
Divide.
No, before division.
Estimate.
Estimate. Sure, we are going to divide because our session is called or talking about division. So what I'm going to divide? 147 divided 13 or the opposite, 13 divided 147.
147 divided 13.
Very good. Why? 147
Because
divided.
147 is bigger than 13.
Yeah, the dividend must be, Mr. Walid, must be greater than the division. So here is written in front of you in the yellow area, the operation of division we deduced from reading. Am I right?
Yes, but
I
first,
need now to estimate the compatible numbers I'm going to use. I can estimate this 147 by 150. Am I right?
yes,
And also,
100.
yeah, 13 as a compatible number with 150 could be 10 or 150 divided 15. All of them are correct. Okay?
Okay.
All of them are correct. All of them are acceptable because it's an open question. Why? What does it mean, an open question? It means I'm not forced to select one between choice. I have no choice to select one between them. Okay?
Okay, Mr.
So
But Mr.
if we want, wait, if we want to start the division here easily and mentally using estimation, I can dismiss 1 0 from both sides. Am I right?
Yes.
If we divided 15 over 1, I want to give 15 and 15 apples for Ali Hussein just only as one person. So he will take what?
15.
Yes, 50. The same here. If I want to divide 150 over 15, I will drop this 0 first. And 15 divided 15, 15 apple distributed over 15 person. Each one will take 15. And all of them, whether they are 15 or 10, they are closest to the exact result. So they are all acceptable. Acceptable what? Acceptable estimation or acceptable result as an estimation. Copy the answer, my dear students. Sure, 15 is the best estimation or the acceptable one. Copy the answer, my dear students, and let's do the competition to complete and arrange the sequence of participating for our students today in our session. Put a like finger with your book in front of the screen to show the teacher you finished or still working.
Mr. I have something to tell you, Mr.
Yes, Ali.
Mister, we must be careful with estimation. For example, for example, if we divide 2,964 divide 73.
Yeah. Listen, Ali. Our session today based on compatible number more than based on rounding. Okay, our estimation today just only for compatible number as possible. You can make compatible number and it will be clear more for you and for the other while the explaining through the session, inshallah. To be fair, I'm going to lower all hands. Don't raise your hand until I count. After that, mute all mics. Okay, now counting. Be ready to the button of participating? Be ready, all of the students. Okay, don't raise your hand or you will be out of the session. No one raise his hand, be ready beside the button. First one who will hit the button after listening the number 3. Where is Abdurrahman? Ahmed. Yes, okay. Ready all? Okay. No, Abdullah, deep, not fair. Open your camera, Abdullah. I will start counting. 1, 2. Hamza. Get your hand down, Hamza. Muaz, not fair. I will count again. Don't corrupt and waste the time. 1. Omar Basyuni, cheating. 1 again. 2, 3. Okay, Omar Abdulaziz, the winner today. He will be the first one. Let's open for Omar Abdulaziz. Hello, Omar.
Yes, Mr.
Congratulations, you are the first winner today to participate in our session. Okay, no problem. Read, solve, and share. Tell me the page number first and read, solve, and share, please.
185.
Okay, all students open 185. Listen, look back, and Omar Abdulaziz.
What numbers are close to 147 and 13 that could be easy to divide using mental math?
Would be easy to divide mental math means what? Means the compatible number. What does the word compatible number means? Means a number would be easy to divide. So there is no relation between 14 and 13. 14 is the first 2 digits here in this 147. Look at the screen, my dear students. No relation between this 14 and this 13. No timetable, no division, no relation. They are not brothers or even cousins. Okay? So estimation make it easy for me using mental math. It means you can do division without any outside help for pencil and paper or calculator or something like that. Compatible number will be easy.
But Mr. Here, he didn't say.
So you can read the simple answer, Mr. Omar.
150 and 15.
Yeah.
And 140 and 14.
Or 140 and 14. Am I right? 14 and 14 are compatible. 14 over 14 or 14 divided 14 mentally equal 1. 15 and 15 mentally equal 1. And you, in all cases, you can drop this 0 outside. So the answer is going to be 10. Omar, convince me, please.
Yes.
Convince me, please. Read, convince me, please. Copy the answer, my dear students. Listen for Omar, convince me.
Suppose Ella earned $230 selling the 75
bracelets.
Bracelets.
Yeah.
Estimate the price of each bracelet.
Okay.
What compatible numbers did you use?
Very good. If we wanted to divide 230 divided 75, okay, there is no relation between 23 and the 7, or 23 and the 75, or 230 and the 75. No relation. Sure, no relation.
He said here estimate, so the
yeah,
fact you give the 7,
estimation will make it easy for me. I can transform this 23, it's gonna be like 21. And here is the division sign. I will keep 7 as it is. 21 divided 7, gonna be what?
3.
From where you get this statement, Mr. Olit? From the time table, you multiply 3 by 7, you will get 21. Am I right?
21.
So yes. I can consider or estimate 230 like 210. Why especially 210, Mr. Olit? It's a compatible number, 21 with 7. And I will make this 75 is 70. Take care. Someone say 5 is more or 5 is rich. Get it 80, Mr. Olit. It will correct, but there is no relation between 21 and 80 or 21 and 8. It is not a compatible number. Okay?
But yes, but 2 and 8, it's compatible.
2 and 8, from where you will get 2? From where you will get to?
Oh,
Someone may someone make it 240 divided 80 if you want to use 80, but it will be for overestimation. Okay, it's gonna be overestimation. So the appropriate estimation is to make it 210 divided 70. You can dismiss 1 0 from both sides, and 21 over 7 equals what, Omar?
3.
Check the answer.
Each bracelet costs about $3. 210 divided 70 equals 3.
And the word about he used here refers to doing estimation.
Me.
Okay, copy the answer, my dear students, and be ready to the upcoming point. The next one in participation window will open guided practice and start the first 2 questions. Let's determine who is the upcoming hero. Okay, after Omar Abdulaziz, Muhammad, Ahmed Muhammad Abdul Rauf, open your mic.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, Ahmed. Tell me the page number of guided.
187.
187 of guided. Okay, I need to start from question number 2. Can you read?
287 divide 42.
You are going to do what here? You escape reading here, and that's make me angry because every time I ask it to read the question from here first. Can you read it again? From this
Estimate
quotation.
using multiple numbers.
Why you insist every time, Mr. Walid, to read this quotation to determine what you are going to do? You are going to do what?
Estimate.
Estimate. How can you estimate 287 divided 42?
300.
Let's think the first 2 digits here. You see them? What are they?
28.
Very good, 28. And the first one here is what?
4.
Is there a relation between 28 and 4? In the timetable of 4, we have 28.
Yes.
Yes, it is 7. So I can make this 42 like 40. And 28 is going to be 280. I will dismiss this 7 and put 0. Now, your estimation is ready, and good estimation, by the way. Dismiss 1 0 from both sides, Ahmed.
Will be 28 multiply 4.
Divided, not multiplication. 28 divided 4 equals what, Mr. Ahmed?
7.
The answer is correct, and the estimation is good. Thanks, Mr. Ahmed. And let's see the upcoming hero after Ahmed, Rauf, Hamza Tantawi. Open your mic, Hamza Tantawi. Hamza Tantawi.
Yes, Master.
Raise your voice, Hamza. Question number 3.
Mister, I don't understand very well.
Okay, let me help you. Read this problem.
320 divided by 11.
Very good. 32. You see this 32?
Yes.
Related to 11. Can you divide 32 over 11? No.
Yes. No.
No. But if you make it 33, okay, it's gonna be divided by 11.
Yes.
So I can keep 11 as it is and estimate 320, 330, compatible number. It's gonna be what? It's gonna be what? Drop 0, and here is 33 divided 11 equals 3. So it's gonna be 30. Someone say, no, Mr. Wali. No, Mr. Wali. I can keep it 320 as it is, divided, I will make this 1110 the compatible number. He is also correct. It's gonna be by dismiss 1 0 from both sides. It's gonna be 32 over 1 equals 32. So the best estimation or the appropriate estimation, both of them are right, but it's better to do 33 or 330 divided 11 equals 30. Copy the answer, my dear students. As I told you in the open question, a lot of estimations are acceptable, whether they are nearest to the exact result in open question. But in the choice, you are forced to select one from the choice. Also, you have to remember our session today based on compatible number from the timetable. Yusuf iPhone. I don't know who is Yusuf iPhone, but no problem. Let's listen.
Mr. I'm Ziad.
Yeah. 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 Number 4.
Okay. 208 divided by 72. It will be 72.
Again, we think about the two numbers here. They are 20 and here is 7. Is there a relation between 20 and 7?
No.
But
It will be 20 divided by
yeah, but if we make it 21 divided by 7, we will find a good relation. Am I right?
Yeah, it is 3.
So I can estimate 208 like 210, and it's good to do that. 72 is gonna be 70. Also,
remove 1 0 and 1 0 from each number.
Both sides, very good. 1 0.
The answer is 3 only.
The answer was 3. Thanks, Mr.
That
Ziad.
is easy.
It's easy because your teacher is Mr. Walid, no more. Omar Basyuni. Omar.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, Omar.
Hello, Miss.
Question number 5, please, Omar.
Okay, 554 divided 62.
How can we do that?
First, we will take 55 and 6.
Yeah. Is there a relation between 55 and 6?
No.
So I can make it what? How it was 54
60.
divided.
Mr.
If we make it 54,
Yeah, it can be.
can be.
Yeah, it
So
can be.
I will annex 0 here.
equal
As a
9.
good, yeah, as a good estimation. 62 gonna be 60, and
Equal 9.
554 gonna be 540. By dismiss 1 0 from both sides, it's gonna be 54 divided 6, gonna be what?
9.
9. A good estimation. Thanks, my dear son.
Mister, is there another way to make it
No.
another
No.
this number?
Justify this way, just only, and everything gonna be okay.
Mister, we can make
yourself-
the 55, 60.
Omar. Concentrate
Yes.
on the presentation. I'm just show for you, not more. Okay? I get
Okay.
tired to prepare all these examples for you to present as a good and easy one to understand. So if you say why not? Let's see another way. You will corrupt everything I'm going to install today. Okay? So concentrate just only on the presentation on the screen, no more. You are not required to do anything more understanding the presentation in front of you. Thanks, Omar. And let's see the next hero. Iwan. Hello, Iwan. Hello, Iwan. Number 6.
Okay.
Okay.
815 divided 23 will be 20.
But let's think about 81 first. Is there a relation between 81 and the 2? Can I divide, or could I divide 81 and the 2?
81
Nope.
and 2.
Nope. But if it's 80, it could be divisible by by 2.
Mister, but
So-
I only know how to make it with another way.
Not another way, please. Please don't mention another way now. Okay, so I will make this one as 800 divided 20.
When
By dismiss 10 from both sides, it's going to be 80 divided 2. Drop 10 and 8 divided 2 equals what? 4. So the answer here is 40. Wow, Mr. Walid, there is no way most easier than your way. Thanks, when. Let's move to number 7. The next one after when gonna be Ahmed Khalid Al Shubaki. Baki. Hello, Ahmed. Oi, number 7.
Finally, I get the hardest.
Hurry up. Hurry up, Ahmed. Read.
2,491 divided 48.
Is there a relation between 24 and 4? Sure, it is 6. But in this problem, we can raise the score here to be 25 and 5. I can make this 48 like 50. And 2,491 is going to be 2,500. Ahmed, raise your voice. Dismiss 10 from both sides and drop this 0 outside. 25 divided 5 equals what?
5. So
The answer 50. Thank you, Ahmed. And let's move to guided practice with another hero. We have 7 minutes and the session will end. I see that a lot of students wait and they cannot wait more than that. Abdullah Mahmoud. Abdullah Mahmoud, open your mic. Abdullah Mahmoud.
yes,
Yes, Abdullah. We are in independent practice. Abdullah, question number 8. Hurry up. Read.
okay. In
Fill
8 to 10, fill in the blanks to find each estimate. Okay.
Okay, so you just only going to complete. Okay, 412 divided 84 equals what? He estimated 412.
84 will be 80.
Yes. Estimated 412, 484 going to be 80. By dismiss 10 from both sides.
Yeah, okay.
40 divided 8 equal what? Drop this 0 here. But you cannot
5.
drop this.
Equal
Yes,
5.
5. Very good, Abdullah Mahmoud. Thank you. Copy the answer, my dear
Mister,
student.
I can answer again.
No, Abdullah, this is not fair.
Why?
No, without why. Abdurrahman Ahmed, open. Abdurrahman Ahmed.
Hello, Mister.
Hello, Abdurrahman.
Hello,
Finally, Abdurrahman. I will be very sad if this session go and you did not participate. Number 10. Read, solve.
Okay, number 10. Okay. 2,964 will be 2,800 and 73 will be 70.
Yes. By dismiss 10
And,
from both sides, you're going to divide 280 over 7. It will be
20. We can dismiss the. We can make 28 divided by 7.
equal.
It will be 4.
What
And
about the
we'll,
zero?
and
Remove
we'll
the
drop the
zero.
0. And we'll drop the
Outside.
0. And it will be 40.
Okay. I will escape some question, my dear students in independent. I see it's clear and you can do it all yourself quickly because we have 5 minutes. I need to solve problem solving in number 23.
Turn off my mic.
Muaz, Ayman. Thanks, Abdurrahman.
Hello, Master.
Hello, Muaz. Read.
Okay. The game shows the break of baseball
The sign
cap
show the price, not the break. Price.
of baseball caps for different back size.
Coach Lewis.
Lewis will buy the medium size bag of caps. About how much will each cap cost? Write an equation
Coach
to model
Muaz.
the problem.
Coach Muaz. The medium caps here equals what? The medium caps
Okay.
here total is 32 caps. The total cost 270. So Coach Muaz will divide 270 over
With 270
32.
divided to
Okay.
2.
Okay. But he asked here in the question about how. About means to estimate. And we said before we must search the relation or focus the relation between this way or two numbers, 27 and 3.
27 estimate it will be 250.
Let's make it 270 and let's keep 32 as 30. By dismiss 1 0 from both sides, you will back again 27 over 3 will be 9 bucks or
Will be nine.
$9. Okay, so the answer here is 270 divided 30. It's going to be 9. Thanks, Moaz. And let's move to question, the last question our session. Ammar. Okay, Ammar. Hurry up, Ammar. Ammar. More. Ammar.
Yes, teacher.
Number 27 in page 188.
Okay, 27. Lee bought 225 flowers and 12 vases. She put about the same number of flowers in each vase, which is the best estimate of the number of flowers in each vase.
In your opinion, I can estimate 225 for 200 just only.
100.
And this 12 going to be
This to 10.
dismiss 1 0 from both sides, 20 over
Yeah,
1
and
equals what?
20.
20. Okay, Ammar, the last question here, 28. Can you read it?
Okay, a school has 617 students. Each class have between 28 and 32 students, which is the best estimate of the number of classes in the school.
I can do 617 like 600 and 32 like 30.
630.
Dismiss 1 0 from both sides. It's going to be 60 divided 30. It will equal
20.
also
20.
again 20. So thank you, Ammar, for your good and strong participation. And my dear students, this is the end of our session today. Tomorrow going to be a new lesson, inshallah. I will miss you so much. And
So tomorrow we have to bring the booklet.
no, just only the book. Don't forget, new lesson means
Volume 1 or 2. Volume
you
1
will
or
come
2
to the
or
school
2.
tomorrow, Ammar.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Just bring your book tomorrow. Okay, and everything gonna be okay. My dear students, I love you all and I wish you all the best forever. This is your loyal teacher, Mr. Walid Ramadan, and this is the end of the session. Just I want to say, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Bye.